What is a philosophy? What is philosophy? Philosophia, love for knowledge, wisdom, truth. So basically it is love for knowledge, wisdom and truth. लिखते जाना, लिखवाएंगे नहीं अलग से, ठीक है? Now somebody who wants to know truth and who wants to be wise, what kind of thinking process should they have? Logical? Shouldn't they be logical? है ना? Okay. So the thinking process of philosophy is logical, rational, critical. Critical मतलब they will criticize if they don't find something right. What they will do? They will analyze things, try to break things and try to understand what is the truth, what is the truth, what is the truth, isn't it? Their method would be argumentation. Their method would be argumentation. ऐसा कैसे हो गया? Why did this happen? अच्छा, somebody said there is God. Where? How? Where does he live? In this world? Outside this world? Where does he live? Soul? What is the color of soul? What is the weight of soul? They start asking questions. So, very important thing for a philosopher is to ask questions. They have to be curious. Philosophy means to be curious. How anything happened? How? Why? Will they accept anything just because somebody said it? A philosopher never accepts until and unless his own wisdom and mind accepts it. Till then he will or she will not accept. But while doing logical, rational, critical, analytical, argumentative questions with his curiosity, the person should follow a structured approach, because unstructured questioning is not leading us anywhere. If you make unstructured questions, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन कभी भी पूछ लिया तो फ्लो नहीं बनेगा, तो हम किसी की नॉलेज पे नहीं पहुंचेंगे. इसलिए स्ट्रक्चर होना क्वेश्चंस में जरूरी है. स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेश्चंस. They should challenge the status quo. Status quo should be challenged. सालों से लोग मानते आ रहे थे, हजारों साल से धरती फ्लैट है. You know that people used to scare away other people that don't go on ships. You know why? Because earth is flat, and when you reach the end of the earth you will fall down. So it was taken to be a very rebellious activity. Go on ships. ऐसे ना मान के करते थे कि तो गया. But some philosopher thought that how can it be flat? Because if it is flat, all the water is falling down where it is going. Oh no, this is not making sense. Then he studied the horizon. अच्छा, horizon तो ऐसा दिखता है. फिर उसने पोल देखे, फिर उसने कहा ना 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 ना, धरती फ्लैट नहीं है. क्या है वो? राउंड और स्क्वायर. अब लोगों ने जला दिया उसे ऐसे. But he gave some arguments. He thought critically. You understand this? They are the ones who challenge the status quo. They will not accept anything easily. It must be proved. So they want things to be proved, not on the basis of evidence, but on the basis of argument. Evidence also, but arguments are also valid. So now do you understand what is philosophy? Is it clear? Sure? लिख लिया ये सब?